They really do keep their grounds clean here. We probably need to find a waste bin. There's nothing out here.
Good idea. Oh, what's that?
You'd think people could tell the difference between plastic and glass by now.
We just need to keep reminding them. Oh, hello.
Hello, I'm Nuru, and this is my friend Kibana. We're on a heroic mission to collect waste, and it looks like you've got plenty of it here.
Hold on there. This is ours. Wait, I know you. I saw you at the dump site. What are you doing here? You can't just take this.
But aren't you throwing it out?
Actually, we are sorting it. Only what goes in the sad bin over there gets thrown out, as you say. The food scraps over there go to our compost pile over there to become fertilizer for the school garden.
And then everything over here goes for recycling.
Oh, I understand. Is that why you and, the others were looking for bottles and cans, over there? You're taking them for recycling?
Oh, so that's why people pick through the waste. I thought they might just be a little bit crazy. Confused? Now I'm confused. How does this recycling work?
It's when these materials like glass, metal, and plastic get converted into new materials and items. Unlike food scraps and plants, these items won't break down back into the soil. So we need to recycle the materials. These glass bottles and metal cans can be melted down and made into new bottles and cans. And the plastic bottles get turned into other materials like yarn for clothing or even mixed into the pavement for roads.
So you can make money from collecting them?
Yes, but it's really hard. The factory will pay for recyclable materials, but you need to collect so much just to get a few shillings. It takes so long, and it's really dangerous and difficult picking through the dump site.
Yeah, my friend Tiny Tembo got injured just in a few minutes there. Where are you taking these? Can we help you?
That'd be great. I'm taking them to the dump site where the recyclers pick them up, and I need all the help I can get. Normally, I do 2 trips, but together, we can do just 1. Everyone here is also really helping by sorting things out, so we don't have such a hard time picking and sorting everything at the dump. I used to go to school here, so my old school friends have helped me out. Maybe I can make enough money soon to start school again. It's been really tough since our mom got sick. She used to pick out recyclables at the dump to afford to send us to school. But now my sister and I do it to support her and ourselves.
Your sister? Malaika?
Yeah, she helps out on the weekends. I wish she didn't have to.
Malaika, is that you? I didn't know you worked here. No. Really? This is like superhero work. You're rescuing all of these materials that would be wasted. I just didn't realize how hard we make it for you. Since we just toss everything in together, then you have to pick through it.
Yeah, it is really tough, but like you said, it's important work. Sorry, I didn't say hi before, Kibena. I was just embarrassed and afraid of what you might think of me. This work doesn't really make you feel like you have much, dignity?
I think that you and your sister do really hard and important work. We've just been trying to sort through rubbish for 1 day, and wow! I'm so sorry if people have made you feel like you don't have dignity. I really value you and what all of you here do.
Well, that is very Utu of you to value us.
Well, that's because the work that you do helps our environment and our health, so you value us too.
Then I guess it is very Utu of us to value each other.
Well, maybe we could help make it easier for you by sorting and collecting rubbish when we create it. We could set up a rubbish sorting station at Kokotoa Primary too.
Let's think even bigger. School's a start. But what about the market? There's so much waste there every day, and they normally burn it.
That's the worst. It's how our mom got sick. There's all sorts of harmful chemicals in the stuff people are throwing away. And when you burn it, They go into the air and you breathe them in.
Well then, it's even more important that we do this. If we set up waste sorting and collection at the market, we could gather so much.
And we can also help everyone in the village understand better about the consequences of what they do with their waste.
Never miss out on new Ubalgo Kids videos ever again. Subscribe today and become the first to know every time new fun educational content is available. Simply type Ubalgo Kids English on the search bar. Click on the Ubalgo Kids English channel page. Click subscribe on the right-hand corner of your screen. What are you waiting for? You are 3 easy steps away from joining the Ubalgo Kids family.